Hi guys, it's me and I'm back into content creation. So today I got this new Atrociraptor pack. Quality and snake. No, wait a minute. Versus snake. Mini pack, I guess. And to prove that this is a real item, I'm going to be showing you the bottom. It has a barcode. Now, I'm going to go in there. That's my secret room. Whoa, it's dark in here. Okay. Or actually, I think I know a better way to do it than to just do it in the dark, where you can barely see anything. So this is basically where I just watch YouTube on my iPad. It's just my secret lair. So I opened the roof so that I can get in here. And set this up. Alright, so here's the actual Atrociraptor pack. That comes with a little snake. So, I'm just gonna get this open. Which one should I start with? Okay, we're starting with this one. Nice. I'm just gonna get them all out. What happened to the fourth one? Okay. And the snake. Oh, nice. It's 3D printed, and it's shakeable with a very satisfying noise. Alright, so these are all of the Atrociraptors. This one's Tiger. So here's Tiger out of the packaging. This one is Ghost. And this one is Red. This one's camouflaged. And this one's Panthera. Name your favorite Atrociraptor down in the comments. I would love to hear your favorite Atrociraptor. And the snake too, if this is your favorite. It's very unlikely. Ow. Alright. Fidget time. It's time for the ASMR. Shh, ASMR. Oh wait, that was actually very satisfying. Cool. This is also very satisfying. And here's some extra fidget time. So anyways, bye.